truly didn't know that ice cream was this easy to make, and it was a lot more fun than expected, waiting for the end result, seeing how the ice cream is going to turn out. My family and I have been having a lot of fun with this. We've been coming up with different recipes and doing it together, and then we all are excited to dig in and taste it and give our notes on how it tastes. The really nice part is that you can control what goes into your ice cream, so you can use fresh ingredients and know exactly how to sidestep any allergies that might be a problem with ice cream, or in general just stay away from bad ingredients. The manual that it comes with has some recipes and walks you through exactly how to make the ice cream, but it is super easy. It comes with this freezer bowl that you're going to want to get into the freezer as soon as possible because it needs to be pretty frozen before you can make ice cream, about 8 to 12 hours in the freezer before you can use it. Then you mix all of your ingredients together. It's usually like evaporated milk, some sugar, and your main ingredient, but you can even choose to cut out some of that sugar. Once you have that all mixed up in a bowl, you chill those ingredients for a little while as well, but you don't want to freeze it because then you are going to pour it into the ice cream maker while it's on, and then about 30 to 45 minutes later, your ice cream is all done. It churns in the little machine. It does make a little bit of noise, so maybe don't put this on in the kitchen right next to where you're gonna watch a movie. It comes with this wooden spatula and an ice cream scoop to help you get the ice cream out when it's all done. But I promise you, you are gonna make really tasty ice cream and have a lot of fun while doing it.